Hi guys, it's Anne here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my Topbox unboxing, and I have a package from Tarte that arrived the same day, so I figure I might as well unbox both. So, fair warning in advance that the editing of this video might be not the best. I'm going to try my best to just get through this video with minimal editing, so that means I might not do all like the pricing that I normally do within the video, but I'll try and do that down below. Long story short, my laptop screen is losing its mind. This has been inevitable. I knew this was going to happen at some point. I'm just hoping I can hold out before I buy a new laptop within the next week. Well, I'm kind of trying to hope for Cyber Monday potentially, but I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to edit this video. So we'll just get straight into this. Topbox is a Canadian subscription box, if you didn't know. They did just change their pricing. It was $12 a month, which worked out to $13.56 for me Canadian. I'm in Ontario. But they've changed it to $15 a month. I mean, it's still, if you look at any of my past videos, it's always been well over the $15 a month. So it's always been well worth it. I just got the regular box this month. I have no idea what's in this, and it's quite heavy. So let's just open this up and see what's in here. Oh, I received a preview box apparently. You received one of the preview boxes you've selected on your wish list. I did? I don't remember selecting a preview box, but that's okay. Anyway, seeing this in here, and I'm like, oh mama, this is a very expensive, not very expensive, but expensive product for Topbox. This is the Triple Sec 3-in-1 from Dry Bar. It's a texturizing, volumizing spray. I've used a mini of this years ago. I haven't used it since. I don't recall. So texturizes, amplifies, and refreshes hair. So air dry to provide instant texture, volume, and body. So it's kind of like a dry shampoo, but a texturizer and a volumizer. Like I said, I haven't used this in a very, very long time, so I don't even remember if I like it or not. But I do know that this is a fairly pricey product, and this looks like it's full size. It's 4.2 ounces. So at least if it's not full size, it's a very large product. So that's worth it alone, because that's definitely worth more than $15 Canadian, guaranteed. This is the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, rich cream for the face, which will be useful for me in the wintertime because it's already getting super cold and super crappy here. It was like -8 Celsius on Saturday, and I went for a walk, and then Sunday my face was freaking out, and I'm like, yeah, here we go. Here we go. Got cat hair stuck to my lip gloss. This is just a small sample size. It is 10 mils or 0.33 fluid ounces. Sorry if you heard a noise. The foster cat was chasing something. So yeah, just a little sample size. So I always think this looks like a tiny little top hat. And yeah, it's just a white cream. Doesn't really smell like anything. It smells like very lightly scented. You know, that like light spa scent of like expensive products. So definitely a nice little product there. So this is the I Love Glazed Raspberry Scented Body Wash. Don't know anything about this brand. It is Keynotes Raspberry. Well, considering it's called Glazed Raspberry, it's probably a good thing. Keynotes Raspberry, Strawberry, Donut. Oh, then vanilla. Okay. Yeah, I don't know anything about this brand. It looks like it's a UK brand, and this is 100 mils, so it's a pretty decent size. Well, obviously we'll try it out and see. Oh, it's very sweet. Very like candy raspberry. That's a nice little product. And then there's just one more product in here. Oh, just one more product. This is the Murad Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. So this is really interesting because I've just started a test. So I'm going to have to hold off on using this, unfortunately. I've just started a test. I'm using the vitamin C booster from Good Molecules. I've only been using it for maybe 2 to 3 weeks at this point. So yeah, oh, that sucks because I kind of really want to try this now, but I can't like interrupt my testing of that product. So this is a 2% hydroquinone skin lightener, and I've tried Murad products, only like small samples, and I've really liked them, and they're an expensive product. maybe this was something I selected. I don't remember selecting this though. Maybe I did. Is that weird? Anyway, fast-acting dark spot treatment with 2% hydroquinone. I'm just mispronouncing that horribly. Helps fade dark spots, age spots, and sunspots, while glycolic acid helps remove dead skin for a radiant or even skin tone. 85% saw spots lighten in just 1 week. So that's what the bottle looks like right there. It's a glass bottle, so it's really, really nice. I don't really want to like open it or anything, but let's just open it and see if there's a scent. Oh, yeah, it's definitely like chemically smelling. Doesn't smell very good. Sorry. Yeah, so I'm going to try that vitamin C booster for a few months, so I probably won't try this until the springtime, but it says people see spots lighten in just 1 week. So we'll see where I end up with the vitamin C booster. It's like a powder that you mix in with a serum. I have like a pretty prominent age spot on this side of my face, but I do have a lot of discoloration, like light and dark spots around my jawline. So we'll see how well that does, and then maybe give this a go. And I might just try this for like a week after that and see, like, do I really see lightening within a week? Anyway, so that's that. So basically, that was well worth the money. 4 products here with 2 really, well, this is an expensive product, but this is just a mini. So we have the Murad Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. We have the Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. The Triple Sec from Drybar, which is a 3-in-1 texturizer. And then this cute little body wash from I Love Cosmetics from the UK. So very nice little box. Very happy with that one. I've been pretty much overall happy with Topbox. I decided not to get, they did have a mystery box, and I did see the email in time. I could have bought it, and I decided against buying it because the email had said there was a probability you could get a repeat product, and I really didn't want a repeat product. I was terrified I was going to get the Douce lip stain and then another nail polish, and I really don't want any more nail polishes. So I was just like, no, let's just not chance it. Let's just get the regular box. So quick little bonus on this video is my Tarte order. So I ordered the Tarte. They do this at least annually. It might be biannually, where you can get like 7 or 8 products for like $60 or $70. So it works out to be like $10 to $13 a product Canadian. I've always had FOMO about this. I've like filled up my cart probably the last couple of years doing this, and then I never buy it because like honestly I need these products like I need a hole in my head, as my father would say. So this time I just like decided I'm gonna go for it. I won't have FOMO anymore if I just go through with it. So I did get this. I did get a couple of products. I got two foundations, which I probably didn't need to, but it's one of those like there was nothing in the category that I really wanted. Anyway, okay. One thing I'm super disappointed about, I didn't get the makeup bag. That was like the one thing I really wanted. Well, that sucks. What? How is that possible? Okay, thanks, Tarte. Anyway, whatever. The first product I got was the Tarte Guard Tinted Moisturizer. So this is in the shade Light. So I've been on the lookout for a tinted moisturizer. The only thing that kind of sucks about the Canadian version is there's no SPF in this. So it literally is just a tinted moisturizer. But yeah, I've wanted to try this product. I've seen it for a while and it's kind of intrigued me. So I'm going to give that a go probably in the summertime because I'm not really, who knows, I might use it now. And then the other foundation was this. So I got the Clay Stick Foundation. So the 2 foundations I got were very, very different. I only have one other stick foundation right now, the Anastasia foundation, and I really like it actually. And because I got like the perfect shade for me, I think. I got the cool beige shade. So this I got in the shade Light Beige. It's got a really nice like, can you see that on the top? It's really neat. Really neat. Cat is losing her mind right now. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So yeah, if you can focus, that's the shade on my hand. And I think I can't see, like I can only see my little viewfinder there. I don't have my, usually I have my laptop so I can see if it's in focus or if you're actually seeing anything. But yeah, like it looks exactly like my skin, at least on my hand. It might be a shade too dark for me right now. I'm like so white. Happened way too fast this year. Might as well take a little swatch of the Tarte Guard as well. Safety seal. Yay. Looks a bit more warm toned, but I mean it's sheer, so right here is the tinted moisturizer, which again, it's just kind of blended away. So that's actually maybe a good thing. The cat is losing her mind. We're having some struggles. She's still trying to figure out life. She's a bit of a temperamental kitty cat, so we're working on things. Anyway, another product I got. I'm not gonna open this. This is the Lights Camera Splashes Waterproof Mascara. I've used this before. I've actually bought full size before from Tarte, and so I know I like it. So this is a very good waterproof mascara. I have a million waterproof mascaras open right now that I have filmed and not yet edited the video for that. So I'm not gonna open this, but I do know I like it. So I'm just gonna hang on to that. Probably use that like next summer. So another product I'm actually really excited about. This is the Lip Sculptor, the lipstick and lip gloss in the shade Sass. So I've heard good things about this product. It's a lip gloss on one side and a lipstick on the other side. And it's really, really nice packaging. Like really, really nice packaging. So let's just open this up. Oh, lipstick's a little darker than I thought it was. I love like the way brand new lipstick looks like. Like it's perfect looking. Like it's a glass. Beautiful. Let's wreck that with a swatch. Oh, looks like a really nice color. It's a little deeper than I thought, but actually for me, that's probably a good thing. Lip gloss. There we go. Just swatch. Lip gloss. Lip gloss is kind of small, I'm gonna be honest, but that's it right there. So there's the lipstick and the lip gloss. So really excited to play with that. It feels really smooth. The lip gloss feels a little sticky, but I mean I'm wearing the Buxom lip gloss right now, and that's a pretty sticky one. So this is the Amazonian Clay waterproof liner. So I decided to not get any eyeshadow because I have way too many eyeshadows that I bought this year, and I kind of want to buy more. But I don't have any pot liner right now. That's a weird box. So this is the box that it comes in, and this is the product. Why? Why do you do that, Tarte? Kind of wasteful. Anyway, really, really nice packaging on this. I've never used this before. I've only ever used drugstore gel liner. So this is like the gel liner that you use like a brush with. So yeah, the reason why I got this is I just don't have any gel liner right now. So like a potted liner. So I thought, at least I'm not buying something I already have a million of. And yeah, I wanted to try this out. So see how that goes. This was another product I was pretty excited. It's a little smaller than I thought it was. Excited to try. It's the Hamptons Weekender. I've almost bought this multiple times, to be honest. I've seen it multiple times. Like I've seen it on sale at Sephora. I think it was in a BoxyCharm or something at some point. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's a nice, really nice packaging. It's like a little tiny book. Little tiny book. Oh, little plastic card there. And then that's what it looks like right there. So it's a highlighter, blush, and bronzer. Sorry if I'm blinding you. I mean, the package is gold, so it's reflecting everything anyway. So let's do a little swatchy swatch. I'm gonna have to do it on this side of my hand here. So that's what they're like on my fingers there. They're a little powdery, but oh my god, super pigmented. I need to be careful with that blush, and you'll see why. Can you see that blush? So there's the highlighter, the blush, and the bronzer. So yeah, super, super excited to give that a go. Like I said, I need these products like I need to hold my head, but I was just so intrigued, and I've been wanting to do this, except for I'm so bummed that I didn't get the makeup bag. Like, What the heck? I did get a sample. This is the base tape primer. So I think this was like featured as their like it's a new product or something. So that's why it was the sample. But yeah, I'm so fun. I didn't get my makeup bag. That's that. Hopefully you like this video. Sorry I'm a little scatterbrained here. I'm just feeling a little stressed because I know I'm going to have to edit this video and I'm not sure how that's going to go. So anyway, if you did like this video, feel free to give it a little thumbs up down below. I would love it if you did subscribe to my channel because I have a little giveaway going on. If you check out my previous video, you'll see the link and the information on that giveaway. You do need to be a subscriber, but like you can enter it, but you won't win if you're not a subscriber because I'll be checking that as well because it's a subscriber appreciation. I can't talk today. It is a subscriber appreciation giveaway. So again, would love it if you did subscribe. You don't have to. No one's forcing you, but it would make me happy. And I always do videos like this. Usually they're a little more organized than this and not so crazy. But I hope you have a great day and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.